Lisa's awareness and education program for seniors and advisors can be summed up in a very simple statement. If you or someone you know has a life insurance policy that's no longer wanted, needed, or affordable, before lapsing the policy, be sure to check to see if it has a value greater than its cash surrender value. The goal of the program is to expand the secondary market in life insurance, not only for consumers, but also for you, our Lisa members. What follows are comments from your colleagues about the value of an awareness program for the industry.
If you aren't aware that a life settlement is an option, you don't really know that you have choices in disposing of that financial asset. And whether or not you choose to pursue a life settlement, you should at least understand that that is a choice available to you and make a decision that is right for your personal situation.
Consumer and advisor awareness is very important. There's just not a lot of advisors, carriers, broker-dealers that are allowed to conduct life settlement business. So if the advisors aren't conducting the business, then they're not advising the consumer. Continuing that effort is very important for the overall growth of the industry.
We're enthusiastic about what Lisa's doing to educate consumers and advisors. I will tell you that our firm saw a 25% increase last year in business, and we're enthusiastic about the way we'll be able to help consumers and advisors understand the option because of Lisa's focus.
We need to, as an association, to continue to focus on education, because without that, consumers won't speak to their agents, they won't sell their policies, and we won't be able to grow the flow of business to meet capital's requirements when it eventually comes back.
Well, we believe very strongly in Lisa because our industry takes a number of blows from time to time, and it's very important for us to have a good industry spokesperson or spokes entity, so to speak, to get out the proper perspective.
The NAIC was debating the regulation, and one of the regulators said it's not our job to market the secondary market. And I think Lisa is filling that void, and I think that's critical.
And that now we have to focus on awareness from consumers and representatives of consumers, which I know Lisa is doing a fabulous job with their awareness campaign, and I applaud them.
What Lisa's role is going to be is to get the word out. All right, now we've got a platform. We've got 42 states that regulate life settlements, and that's a good thing. And the consumers need to hear that message, and I know Lisa's going to be a big part of that.
Lisa outstandingly needs to take that initial lead. The consumers need to see the real aspect of how much value there is.
Lisa has to take a role on the awareness front.
It is a tremendous asset that they own. They don't know they can sell it.
There's plenty of funding to buy the policies, and there's still a lack of awareness.
The opportunity today, again, with a well-regulated market, to now begin the expansion of reaching consumers through education and awareness activities led by Lisa, as well as by private sector companies, is really where the market's going to go.
We hope you will join us in our effort to collectively expand this market.